Hello everyone, this is Evangeline Supriya working as an associate professor in the department of H&S. As we discussed earlier in the previous video, we listed out the experiments we are going to perform in the semester. Now the first experiment is Stewart and Gee's experiment. The aim of the apparatus is to determine the magnetic field induction by along at several points on the axis of a circular coil by using the tangent galvanometer. Now coming to the apparatus, this is called the circular coil which is carrying current. This is called the tangent galvanometer. This is called the horizontal scale, and these are the keys. This entire apparatus is called Stewart and Gee's apparatus. This is the commutator, out of which we have 4 keys, and this is called the plug key. This is called the ammeter, and this is called the rheostat. In order to find out the magnetic field of induction, before going to start the experiment, there are some preliminary adjustments for this experiment. The first preliminary adjustment we have to do is, for the tangent galvanometer, we have to coincidence with the 0th line of the horizontal scale. That is the first preliminary adjustment. In the second preliminary adjustment, in the tangent galvanometer, we have to coincide the 90-90 with the horizontal scale, and in order to coincide the 0-0 on the tangent galvanometer, we have to slightly move the entire apparatus so that the deflection needle will coincidence with the 0th scale of the galvanometer. After that, by using rheostat, we have to place the 0.5 amperes. As you can see, there is a deflection in the needle when you are moving the rheostat. By using rheostat, you have to place some 0.5 amperes current in the ammeter. Now, in order to find out the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, first of all, you should remove any 2 parallel keys. As you can see this, there is a deflection on the needle. Let it stable for few minutes. After getting it stable, you have to take the reading as theta 1 and theta 2. Now place these 2 keys and remove another 2 parallel keys. Again you have to take the reading as theta 3 and theta 4. Now place these 2 keys. We have considered the reading for 0 on the horizontal scale. Now we have to move the tangent galvanometer from 0 to 5. For that, we have to remove the plug key to resist the flow of current when you are moving the tangent galvanometer. So after moving the tangent galvanometer, again place the plug key on the same place. Now remove 2 parallel keys. Again take the reading as theta 1, theta 2. And place these 2 keys, remove another 2 parallel keys, remove or take the reading as theta 3 and theta 4. Likewise, you should do the horizontal scale on 0, 5, 10, 15 up to 20. And again, this is the east side. And again on the west side, you have to take the reading from 0, 10, 15 up to 20. So after taking the readings, as you can see in the manual, we have the formula capital B is equals to mu naught Ni A square by 2 into x square plus A square whole power 3 by 2 into Tesla, where mu naught is the magnetic permeability 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry per meter. Small n is the number of turns. As you can see, these are the keys of the Stewart and Gee's apparatus. There are 4 keys. From 1 and 2, it is having the 5 turns. From 1 and 3, it is having the 50 turns. And from 1 and 4, it is having the 500 turns. So we have connected the to the commutator from 1 and turns. So small n value will be the n is equals to 50. So likewise, when you do the calculation, you will get the formula magnetic field induction. So before going to all these things, you have to cross check the circuit diagram. The first circuit, in the circuit diagram, the first key, the key in the commutator is connected to one, from the Stewart and Gee's, it is connected to one end of commutator. Another end of commutator is connected to one end of plug key. Another end of plug key is connected to one end of ammeter. Another end of ammeter is connected to rheostat. Rheostat, another end is connected to battery positive terminal, and battery negative terminal is again connected to commutator 1 end. This is the connection. So after doing the preliminary adjustments, we have to measure the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4. After measuring all the values, we can get the magnetic field induction capital B, that is magnetic field induction at several points on the circular coil by using Stewart and Gee's apparatus. Thank you.